In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to price for expanded distribution on KDP, a KDP tutorial for beginners. If you're new to the world of self-publishing on Kindle Direct Publishing, understanding how to price your book for expanded distribution can be a bit daunting. However, with these simple steps, we'll make sure you're set up for success and that your book reaches the broadest audience possible. First, let's get started by navigating to the pricing section of your KDP account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see a dashboard displaying your books. Find the book you want to adjust and select the pricing tab. This section is crucial because here, you'll not only set your book's price, but also determine how it will be distributed, especially if you're eyeing expanded distribution. The next step involves entering a list price that comprehensively covers both the printing costs and the distribution cut. It may sound complex, but think of it as ensuring that all costs are covered while still allowing you a margin of profit. When setting this price, consider factors such as the size of your book, the type of printing, be it color or black and white, and the regions you hope to sell in. All these variables affect the cost, so it's essential to set a price that balances covering these expenses with competitive positioning in the market. Once you have a price in mind, it's time to check the royalty preview. This is where you'll see what your earnings will be based on the list price you've set. It's a beneficial tool because it turns the abstract numbers into potential income, helping you visualize what you'll take home after all is said and done. The royalty preview will show you the flexible royalty rates depending on the sales channel, which is something you want to get acquainted with. After reviewing the royalty preview, the final step is to make any necessary adjustments. It's not uncommon to find that the initial price you set might require a tweak or two. You want to ensure that the price is appealing to potential buyers while also providing you a satisfactory income per sale. Perhaps it's a small increase to ensure your profit adequately compensates for the costs, or a slight decrease to make your book more competitive. It all depends on your specific goal. Once you're satisfied with the price, double-check everything to ensure all the numbers are correct, and then save your settings. It's important to remember that even after you've published, pricing can be revisited and adjusted as needed. So don't stress too much if it's not perfect right from the start. You have room to pivot and adjust as you see how your book performs. And there you have it. Your book is now priced for expanded distribution on KDP, ready to reach a wider audience. By following these steps, you've set a clear path toward maximizing your book's availability and profitability. Thanks for joining me.